We'll guide you through how to choose between ClickUp and Asana, making it easier for you to decide which project management tool suits your needs best. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ClickUp website and explore the interface. ClickUp offers a highly customizable platform with features like Gantt charts, time tracking, and task dependencies. You can create spaces, folders, and lists to organize projects and customize views such as boards, lists, and calendars. ClickUp's flexibility allows you to tailor it to various project types. Spend some time navigating through these options to see if it aligns with your workflow. Next, head over to the Asana website and log in. Asana is known for its user-friendly interface and is ideal for team collaboration. You can create projects and tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and add comments. Asana shines with its timeline view and workload management, making it easy to visually plan your team's work. Evaluate how easy it is to track progress and manage team communication. Consider the integrations each platform offers. ClickUp integrates with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom, providing a comprehensive workspace. Asana also offers robust integrations with services like Microsoft Teams, Dropbox, and Adobe Creative Cloud. Think about which integrations are most essential for your team's productivity. Finally, reflect on your team's size and budget. ClickUp offers a free plan with ample features, while Asana's free plan is more limited, with premium features available in paid tiers. Determine what your team can afford and what features are non-negotiable. By considering customization, ease of use, integrations, and pricing, you can make an informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.